In this video, we are going to show you how to change the language on your Twitter. So whether you're using your Twitter on your mobile, on your PC, like what we're doing right now, it's pretty much the same thing. So if you want to change the language on your Twitter, it's very easy. All you need to do is click on more over here. This pop-up will appear, and what you want to do next is click on settings and privacy. Once you click on settings and privacy, you want to go all the way and click accessibility, display, and languages, right? So click on this. So here, under accessibility, display, and language, you want to click on languages, right? Manage which language are used to personalize your X or Twitter experience. So we do that. And here, app and post languages, it's set to British English, right? So click on this. If you want to change British English to say Filipino or English, all you need to do is click on the language you want to check or you want to set your Twitter in, like so, and uncheck or untick the current existing language setting. After that, what you want to do is click next. It's going to load up, and as you can see, it says British English first, and now it just says just English, right? So that's how you change languages on your Twitter. Again, like what I said, this is going to work for both your desktop, like what we were doing right here, or on your mobile device. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.